Guys, so this is going to be an update on my hair company here. I have forgotten the links, so I'll leave the links in the description bar below, as well as I'll leave the first video that I did in the description bar below for you as well. So this is the hair that I've been wearing, and let me tell you, I have a lot of hair reviews that I need to get up, so I'm like, alright then Lyric, let's just do that. So I'd have a makeup tutorial on this look, of course, but yeah, so the hair I believe is what, 26 inches or 28 inches. Like, this hair is long and this hair is full. I'm wearing 6 bundles of hair in my head, and you can't see the back, but it is extremely long. It's touching my bum and beyond. Whenever I sit down, it's like just resting on my thighs, you know what I mean? Like, yes. So I want to do an update. I have it on a wig. I had Natalia's Simply Beautiful Golding, and I'll leave her information in the description bar below. She actually made a wig for me, which you guys know. She always sewed in my hair, and because I'm no, I can't say it. But I just can't sit to make wigs anymore. You know, if you watch my Lyric Uncut video, you'll know what I'm talking about. I just can't anymore. I just want to lay down in the house and eat and just sleep. That's all I want to do. So making a wig was completely out of the question, so I asked her to make it for me. And yes, this is what she did for me. I really love it. This hair, I just remember like, damn, I love this hair. And I've been wrapping my head a lot, and the reason I've been wrapping my head a lot is because I've been so lazy to get up and look for hair and flat iron the hair, and I've been so lazy in doing that. But nevertheless, I really love this hair. The update, it has still, I have some strands there still, so yes, there is still a little bit of shedding. I'm not sure if she cut the wefts to make the wig. I didn't ask her, but yeah, so there's still a little bit of shedding, but in terms of just running my fingers through it, there's nothing on this hair at all. When we get it back, I'm gonna just flat iron it, and oh, it's still on. The flat iron I use, oh, it's still hot, is the Remington flat iron. And I just turn it off, and it just looks like this. Is really big, so it fits a lot of hair in there. See that? And I love it. Like, one pass and my hair is straight. I love this Remington, and you can get this off Amazon. This is actually a gift from a friend of mine, and she bought this off of Amazon. I believe I've had it now for what, a year, almost a year thereabout, and it had do me good. I love it bad. But yeah, so I'm getting hot now. Yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. There's nothing, I mean, we not have nothing bad for somebody here. Still shedding, no tangling. Of course, it does get tangled in the back here where it's rubbing on in it. You have some little tangles like as you go up through the day. But as you see, I don't know if I'm able to link the videos that I've done in the description bar below. Hopefully I can do that, but just check the description bar below, because I've done a lot of makeup tutorials wearing this hair, and I've had it curly, I've had it straight, I've had it wavy. So you can just check the description bar below for those makeup tutorials to see, like, you know, how it operates or whatever. But yeah, this hair, man, this hair, oh, you know how I love posing like this. Oh, you know, it's not good. But the hair, and the very first person I saw that was Lakia Star, when she was like, oh, that's so innovative. So I just follow her sometimes. So whenever you see me do this, I'm just following like hairstyles footsteps. So yeah, the only problem is this side of my hair always have a hump. That I think is a closure. I don't know, but that side. Are you serious? No, I did not just do this tutorial with my thing. Just this video, my thing showing. So embarrassing. But anyway, raw uncut, boo, raw uncut. Yeah. So this side of my, I don't know if you can see, but it's always higher than this side over here. Ew, it's always higher than this side over here. So yeah, that's just the only thing, which is not a problem. I just noticed it, and I'm sorry, I don't have anything to say about this hair. I still love it. I have not been wearing half of the wigs that I need to do updates on, because as I've said, I've just been so lazy. I don't want to do nothing. I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep. Yeah, so that's basically it. Nothing bad to say about this hair at all. Her hair company, their information will be in the description bar below, and yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. So I have a bunch of videos in the description bar below showing the hair that I wore in some makeup tutorials, and also the hair that the very first like this hair though, that video, this hair though, that's the name of it, this hair though. So yeah, I'll show it to you. And it's like passing my bottom. I love long hair. I love it. But anyway, yeah, so if there's anything else, I'll just leave it in the description bar. There's not much I can say. I love this hair. It not do me no wrong. The thing up, her hair company, I don't think I've ever reviewed this company before, but the hair is quality, man. Quality. And having it on this wig cap is like heaven. Quality. I love it. I love it. Alright, so that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.